And 1, 2, 3, let's go. Hit the lights, it's time to start the show tonight. All right. Stand up and shout, it's gonna be fun tonight.
Do you have the passion? Do you have the motivation? Do you have what it takes? Prove it.
He stands at 6 feet even, weighing in at 212 pounds, and he is the new tradition, Caleb Steele.
Everybody wants to see this.
These guys are just the peak of performance.
And it's not just, the physical prowess of Caleb
not at
Steele.
all.
It's the experience of Caleb Steele that comes from it.
Exactly.
This man is the new tradition
This
of
could be-
professional wrestling.
Wow, going right at it. Going right at it right away.
They don't even care.
Nope. Look at Caleb Steele. They got it. Those two have had such a
These
checkered
guys have
past.
had, these guys have had a history for sure.
It's more than just a history. This is a saga.
Let's
Go
off.
off the ropes.
Goes for the clothesline.
Yellow.
There's been a growing just animosity between these two guys.
Still has his ring jack.
He doesn't care.
Oh, nice kick.
Abrams still doesn't know. Abrams doesn't know if he can. Nobody knows if they can trust
Him
Steele.
down like a small child.
Have you knocked small children down like that?
I've seen it. I don't participate.
I believe that was something from your past.
We don't need to hear about Presley's past.
No, we don't need to hear your repressed memories there, Presley.
Oh!
That's like an avalanche going at you.
Yeah, he just clobbered.
Oh, the other four.
Slinging them back and forth.
Oh!
Big avalanche.
He's just slinging them back and forth like a rag doll.
That's
Quick
forbidden.
cover.
Not enough to put him away. It's going to take more than that.
Stills has that experience. That's the factor in this match.
If I was betting, and I am,
I know you.
I'd throw my money on Caleb Steele. I mean, you're looking at a 10, 15-plus year pro.
About 17 years.
About 17 years.
17 years. Broke right in the business when he turned 18 years old. Worked harder than anybody else in his class.
To get to this moment in time.
Trained by the late great Canadian Destroyer. Up in that rack.
It's just the ease that Abrams was able to pick him up. It's phenomenal. Caleb Steele's just got a lot of
Goes
those.
back to the kicks.
Trying to work those legs down. He's trying to. Oh.
It had no effect.
That it did have an effect. Look at that. It made him mad.
Just made him mad.
Well-placed kicks.
Abrams is taking the abuse and just dishing it back out like nothing. Abrams just takes that abuse like nobody does.
Another big chop.
Big chop.
Oh, and he catches Caleb
with
Steele.
ease.
The power of this guy.
He caught him with ease.
Oh!
That's going to leave a couple of welts on your back.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't seen Jay Abrams
That overhead slam right there. Wow.
Yeah.
come down to one of our TV
Wait, where is he going with this? This might be it, guys. Oh, Caleb Steele, he knows where he's at all times.
That's
All that
the
experience is really paying off.
That is
One blower.
jamming those knees right into the jaw.
Small package.
Small package.
Could he get him?
2, 3. There it is.
Wow.
And the experience comes into play. Caleb Steele didn't break any rules. Still went for the kill.
That was one of the most impressive. I honestly could say, as much as there is that experience, it kind of is an upset.
You're looking at a guy that's been in the business long enough to know where he is in that ring at all times, and he takes it to his opponents, and that's what happened right now.
He's been in the ring so long. It's almost like has eyes in the back.
Oh, here's Tommy Johnson.
He has no business. Abrams frustrated by this loss.
That's no way to treat Tommy, though. Tommy didn't do anything. He's trying to.
You know what?
I don't know what they're trying to prevail on this one.
You look at a guy like Abrams, he looks like pure unadulterated.